Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to see how to create temperature condition for material master. So here we can maintain the temperature condition for different materials if we need. So for that we need to go to SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then logistics general, then material master, settings for key fields, then define temperature conditions. Then here we can give a new entries and say it's number 4 and description is, so here we can give the description as minus 30 degree Fahrenheit. Let's just save it. So this is how we can create a temperature condition in SAP.